Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to episode 14 of Mark Making. One of the consequences of having a post vise is figuring out how you're going to mount it. I looked online and saw some pretty nice options, and while I was perusing Craigslist, I stumbled across this bench. I picked this up from a very nice woman in Hastings who was moving and needed to get rid of it. As you can see, the legs are cast iron, and across the top it's 4x4s up front and 2x6s in back. It's covered in 1/8" steel, so I think this is going to make a great blacksmithing bench and a great place to mount the post vise. But it does need a little tune-up, so let's see what we can do. And with that, the legs are painted and ready to go. That completes part 1 of the bench rebuild project. Next time, I'll tackle the top and final assembly. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.